What's going on today, you guys? I hope y'all are having another good day. So as you can see, we are inside of the Cummins driving right now. Oh, I'm sorry, Cummins driving right now. I got highlighted in the last video. I guess I was pronouncing the G during the video. I know it's a little dark. The sun is setting right now, so if I look dark in the video, I apologize for that. But we're bringing you guys more content, and today is actually kind of cool because we're actually going to be making a video. We're going to check out actually a Marine. He's actually a Marine too, but he works on Camp Lejeune. I work on New River Air Station. We're going to go check out this Marine who has a company that he started up. I don't want to say recently, but he started it up, and it's called Full Sended Diesel. And pretty much he is a dealer for a bunch of, I'll get to it. He's a dealer for a bunch of components that he makes and that he can get for you for pretty much any diesel truck. Now, if you hear a rattling noise in the back, it's because I have some parts in the back of the truck. When we get there, we'll talk about it and show it to you guys. Early third gen, so I believe his is a 2003 third gen quad cab long bed. Beautiful truck. It looks really good from the pictures I've seen. It's featured on his website. We're gonna get a little walk around on that. He's gonna talk about that. He's gonna talk about what he does as a business. Also, update, today I got the email shipping confirmation from Extreme Customs. The wheels are officially shipped. I'm so fucking excited, y'all. Y'all don't know, man. I'm so pumped. Also, we have a buyer right now for the Anthem wheels on the truck currently. A man by the name of Mike. He's actually a subscriber. Mike, if you're watching this video, brother, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate the hit up. So it worked, you know. I mean, I mentioned it in the last video. He saw it and hit me up. So Mike, man, if you're watching this, brother, I appreciate you hitting me up. I'm gonna take care of you with the wheels, man. So for those of you that didn't know, if I mentioned it in a previous video, but if a subscriber bought the wheels, I was gonna throw in a little extra something for them. So what I'm actually gonna end up doing is I'm gonna take the wheels off once the new wheels come in. I'm gonna polish them to get any light scratches off of them just from driving it and, you know, getting dirty. Polish it, and then I'm also gonna reapply another ceramic coat onto the wheel for him. So when he gets the wheels, they're gonna look good and they're gonna be super easy to clean and all that good stuff. So definitely, Mike, man, thank you for hitting up the channel, reaching out to me, brother. I really appreciate it. So you guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit once I get there, and then we'll pick up from there, okay? Hell yeah. It was badass. Hell yeah. 03 long bed. Alright, you guys, what's going on? We're back. You just saw this nasty ass third gen. It's a little dark outside, but you'll still be able to see the video fine. So I got my man Kevin here, the owner of Full Sended Diesel. He's gonna give us a badass walk around of the truck. He's gonna talk about it, tell us his projects, what he's done. Then he's gonna give us a tour of his shop. And then from there, man, we're gonna talk about what we plan on doing with the third gen, all right? So Kevin, my man, you got the floor. Let it rip.
Alrighty. So guys, this is my fucking
You're good. You can get whatever, bro.
This is my 2003 Dodge Cummins. I got it a couple years ago, probably about 2. It was charcoal. I had a guy out in New Jersey repaint everything, do the rockers, everything, typical Dodge rust.
Hell yeah.
From there, I went through about 3 or 4 different sets of tires, turbo injector setups. Raced at Diesel Truck Wars, Rudy's this past year. Didn't do too high, had some bad injectors. We had the 72 millimeter turbo and 150% S&S nozzles. The injectors were starting to shit out on me. So we didn't do too hot there. Fastest it's gone so far is 11.5 at 117 in the quarter, I believe.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's slow. It's kind of embarrassing. But anyway, I came up with the great idea to lift 8 inches and put it on 10 lug Alcoas, 22 by 14s. Not quite sure why. But that's what we did. So I also hood stacked it.
Hell yeah, I saw that, man.
Made this hood stack right here, put our logo on there. Had it powder coated, obviously, so that looks pretty good. We did, obviously, the newer style front end, front bumper, fenders, headlights. I know you guys are going to ask, these are fiberglass headlight covers, bought them off eBay for 50 bucks.
Dude,
painted.
I knew they were going to, they would ask.
Yeah, I get people ask all the time, so. That's that. Other than that, it's got 60% over extra G injectors right now. A stock Chinese knockoff turbo. That's why the hood's not popped. You don't want to see that.
They're gonna want to see the hood. I'm telling you, bro.
See the hood. It is pretty there. So we got that. I pulled everything out of the trans. It was a full manual valve body that I built with the help of Chris Jelbach at CG Performance Transmissions.
Where's he based out of?
He's based out of Pennsylvania.
PA. Okay, nice,
he
nice.
helps me with all my transmission builds.
Hell yeah.
You know, all that. So very good help, very knowledgeable. So right now I pulled all the good stuff out of the trans. I put a shift kit in it, built it myself again. Nothing crazy, stock shafts and everything. So inside here it's pretty dirty, but we got some
Mine is
leather
too.
seats. Got the CUMMINS on there in red. Gotta have it.
Nice.
We got all blue lights in the dash. Gauges.
Rocking the glow shift ones?
Yep, yep.
Same.
Yeah, they ain't accurate, but what are EGTs anyways? You know what I'm saying? That's actually why my old head was cracked in 15 places.
Oh my goodness.
We put a new head on, well, a new used head. Still got the FFS ratchet shifter mount in there, which I'm not going to make a comment about that. But I make my own now that are sturdy, so we will move on.
Dude, that's legit, man. Oh, you got some stuff back here. What's up?
It's sturdy back there. That's a Fast 260. All my braided lines that I run, it's basically what I sell all my kits. I make braided line kits for everything, transmission lines, turbo fusion drains, heater hoses.
You heard that, you guys. So if you need custom braided lines, man, you know who to hit up. I'm gonna have his contact info down in the video below.
Yeah, and then we used to have dual trans coolers mounted there and there, derails, took them off, sold them. So that's that. We got the bullpen in the back, fancy cheap eBay headlights.
Gotta love them. Those are the best.
Seamed obviously, so it looks good.
Okay. So they're gonna ask you. You said you have 10 lug wheels.
Yep.
How did that happen? How were you able to do that? Because they're gonna ask. I know it.
The 10 lugs they're basically Alcoa super singles.
Okay.
10 lugs are normally 22.5 by 14. You can send them out to people. They basically machine it down so it can accept a 22-inch tire instead of 22.5 because they don't make regular truck tires in 22.5s other than semi wheels. So if you're trying to run a regular truck tire, you're going to need to have a machine down. I believe the only guy I know that does it is in Tennessee. He charges $175 a wheel. And then you're going to need the 8 lug to 10 lug adapters. I think those are about $1,000.
Woo! Good Lord.
Yeah. I bought these tires mounted on the wheels with the adapter shipped for, I think it was $2,500. I got a steal on it.
You got a steal. That's a deal.
I paid $500 for shipping.
It was worth it, man. It's worth it.
Yeah. It's painted, it's a custom 4-phase candy apple red.
I was just about to say, this is a beautiful red.
You'd see it a lot more.
Well, I got a clip. I think I got a clip when I first pulled up, man. And if this truck was washed up in the sunlight, this thing would be beautiful.
Yeah, she hasn't been on the road in about 7 months. So.
Man, that's crazy.
Soon, and then she'll be up for sale. So
you guys heard that. So you are gonna sell it, right?
Yep. As soon as I got a little wiring harness issue. No communication with TCM because obviously I haven't used a TCM because it's been a full manual valve body for months. So I'm just figuring out all the little loose ends because it went from stock suspension to 8-inch lift to different injectors.
I mean, dude, bro, it looks good, man. I love it. I seriously love it, man. So you had to, when you did the front end conversion, you had to change the fenders out too, right?
Yep, the fenders. What I had my body guy do. His name's Steven Pinkna out of New Jersey.
Fucking dick.
Yeah, boy, fucking dick. So he basically, normally you'd have your antenna hole here, you might not have even noticed, but he shaved that and did all the body work for that. If you see this thing in the light too, it's not like your half-ass body work. There's no waviness, nothing. He did a fantastic
Well, I mean,
job.
he has, so when you guys check his website out, it's beautiful, and he has his truck featured on there. You guys, I'm telling you, his information is going to be down below. This is not an advertisement. I'm just being straight up with you guys. You know how I am. He's gonna get the issues fixed. If you are looking for a truck along this alley, you might want to follow his Instagram. His Instagram is actually right here too. That's your IG, right?
Yep, at Full Send Diesel.
There it is, man. Y'all got it. All right. So now what I'm really curious about is your shop, because now we talked about his truck and what all he has done. Well, is there anything we're missing from it?
No, there's nothing crazy done to it anymore.
Okay.
It took the 1100 horsepower setup off. Now it's just slow. So. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm curious about is this shop, because I don't know too many people out here that have a shop like this and what you do. So what I want to know really, bro, is what is Full Send it about? Tell me what they're about and what you offer to the average consumer, diesel consumer.
So Full Send Diesel, we started out making some braided line kits for Cummins, fuel lines. We now make all different sorts of variations of transmission line kits for 1994 to up to 2009 Dodge Cummins.
Nice.
I actually have some over here. I could show you that.
Yeah, absolutely. And this stuff, man, I'm telling you guys, man, this is what it's about right here, man. Handmade.
Some of these.
So is that considered an AN fitting?
Yep.
Okay.
That's AN fitting. So we make them. They're all pressure checked to 300 psi, lifetime warranty. That does not include if you run this up and it's on your drive shaft and it rubs a hole in it. That's not included in the warranty. It's included if one of these goes bad or the hose for some reason bursts, even though it ain't gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. So
okay.
Anyway, the assurance is there. They're pressure checked. You're getting an extremely high quality set of stuff. So we make all different kinds of turbo feeds, drains for flipped up manifolds, specifically Cummins. So we do that. We make transmission cooler mount kits, shock tower delete plates.
Nice.
Second gen swap kits we just started. Those things are looking good.
Okay.
They use forced inductions, turbos, steed speed manifolds.
Nice. Now, question. So, for the viewers, or from the viewers, if let's say somebody has a 6.0 Power Stroke or a diesel truck and they need a custom AN line made, and they give you the specs, can you make it?
We actually have on our website if you search FSD on fullsenddiesel.com, it'll bring you to, you can see custom AN line making service. You can select the length, the braided hose material, what fittings you want on each end, and it'll automatically quote you right there. And,
my man.
It'll get it out. But if you guys also have questions, you guys can always contact me. I can help you figure out what you need if you're not familiar with the AN stuff. That's kind of like, it's our shit. It's what we do.
That's your forte. That's your specialty. That's what's up, man.
Transmissions, 47, 48 REs, we do pretty well. So far, I'm still learning. Again, CG transmissions, Chris over there helps me out a lot. So
nice. So in terms of a dealer, what can you get for people?
Well, we can go start right there. Dynamite diesel products. We can get that. Extra G, Hams Oil, Vibrant, Steed Speed, Dynamite. Oh, that's the same one. XTP, Air Dog, basically anything you can possibly think of. There's probably going to be a way I can get it. Fast Air Dog. There's a lot of stuff that's not on the site. We just recently launched it about a week and a half ago. So contact me. I'm really, really big with one-on-one with my customers. You can ask a lot of them, look at my reviews. I will take the time out of my day on a Sunday, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning. If I'm awake, I'll respond. So, if you need anything at all.
That right there is what it's about. Now, people, I'm not just trying to blow smoke up anybody's tail or anything, but this man is also, you're also a Marine, right?
Yes.
Active duty, full-time?
Yeah.
Active duty, full-time, has his side business that he is trying to set up. How old are you, brother?
Just turned 21.
Just turned 21, dude. So young Americans trying to do stuff like this, man. This is God's work right here, you guys. I love supporting independent, young, hardworking people. And mind you, you guys know I'm an active duty Marine as well. And by no means running a second full-time business on the side in active duty military service is you got to have some drive and some dedication, man. And I mean, just from seeing all this stuff, man, it's amazing what you can do when you apply yourself. Now, my last question I'm gonna ask you in regards to being a dealer for these companies is, how do they know they're getting the best deal in terms of what, like if they want to get Dynamite diesel injectors from go through you, are they going to get the best deal?
Yes, they will.
Okay.
Well, not the best. It'll be equal. So.
Okay.
In the market, I guess throughout everything, there's usually always a thing called MAP pricing. That's minimum advertised price. So, for instance, a fast fuel system. You should see that fast fuel system the same exact price everywhere, unless someone wants to mark it up. But if you go to a website and everything's marked up, you're probably not going to shop there. So everything has a set price that it's a bare minimum that you can advertise it at. So that's what all my prices are at. That's how most people do it. We also offer free shipping on orders $150 or more.
Nice, nice. Which that's easily to achieve with these with these brands and parts and stuff, man.
This is only a very, very small fraction of what we do. Actually, just got my AMSOIL banner today. We sell AMSOIL.
Nice, nice. Now, I gotta throw out a disclaimer in there now. Now, with my channel, I have my AMSOIL man, Adrian. So I'm not gonna steal from Adrian because Adrian is my man. But anything else in here you know who to go through. My man right here, Kevin, man. This is awesome, man.
Actually, got some. I got one of the.
Okay, here we go.
Kits we just released.
Hell yeah, here we go. Here we go.
We'll actually have a video on it coming out here in a week or so. As soon as my editing guy.
Oh yeah, that's another thing too. You're about to start a channel. So what is this?
This is a 4748 RE braided locking dipstick tubes.
Oh.
Very, very nice stuff.
Crafty.
Yeah, so.
But now it's starting to. Is it starting to kind of like grow bigger? I mean, I see turbo compressor covers and stuff.
Yeah, these are. I got some of them up here. These are. I stock the covers, so that when a customer orders a second gen swap kit, I powder coat the cover with the kit so it matches.
Nice.
Because if they try to do the color, it's probably not going to match because it just happens on how it's sprayed. So this is a 64. This is a billet S472. Force inductions front covers.
Okay. Borg Warner cover?
Yeah, they're Borg Warner covers.
Okay.
From Force Inductions, they're essentially the same thing, but
okay. Nice, man. All right, you guys. So we've been in the shop for probably like a couple hours now. We got some stuff done, but you're gonna have to wait till the next video to check it out because we are running out of time. We both have to go to work in the morning, and well, I mean, you know, we want to get home in our bed eventually. Plus, he actually has a bunch of orders he has to get taken care of tonight to be able to get sent out to customers out there. So we got some good news. I'll let Kevin announce it in terms of a little gift he's gonna give to the channel to you guys and to the viewers. So go ahead, man. Let them know.
Hey, so you guys can use a coupon code Everything Diesel for 10% off all FSD products. That includes second gen swap kits, all of our braided lines, transmission cooler mount, shock tower leads, AC receiver dryer relocation kits, all that stuff. So yeah, that's my gift to you guys. I'd appreciate it if you guys went and checked out my YouTube channel. No videos on it yet. About a week. We filmed some stuff. Getting my editing guy to do that. So we're gonna have some good stuff. Look forward to working with him as well. So also, big shout out to Gunnery Sergeant DeLeon for teaching me everything that I know about transmissions. Everything.
That's it.
That's a joke.
That's So you guys, we got a new partner on the channel, just like we got MDC Diesel, AMSOIL. It's awesome. It's good times. So be sure, I'm going to have, from now on, I'm going to have his information in the description section down below. Promo code. You guys love promo codes. You just got it. It's the name of the channel. Everything Diesel. Save you 10%. If you need any custom-made steel braided lines, transmissions, whatever it is, check out his website. Yeah, it's a really nice website. There's a lot of stuff on there. I'm not even bullshitting. I checked it out before coming over here. So check it out, man. Thank you guys for checking out the channel. You're going to have to stick around for the next video because this is going to kind of be a part 2 video. But we got some cool stuff done to the truck. Not going to show you yet just because it's still in the work of arts, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, thank you guys for checking out the channel. Until next time, y'all take it easy, be safe, and peace out.
Later.